What if you could organize all your cleaning company tasks in a single platform? Doinn does that for you. With multiple team members, customers, and tasks to manage, it's easy for things to slip through the cracks. What if you could optimize cleaning performance with a full scope of real-time insights and predictable data? Doinn does that for you. Need to improve the team's communication? Doinn does that for you. Want them to read and write in their own language? Doinn does that for you. Doinn does it all. Grow your business with Doinn. Grow your business with tech. Grow your business with data. Save time, save money. Grow your portfolio. Get started with Doinn today and see the difference it can make for your cleaning company. Doinn, housekeeping operations made simple.